Hello, good morning. Is this the office for city taxis? I am calling because I think I left my mobile phone in one of your cars yesterday evening.
Hello. I am sorry to hear that. I can certainly help you check our database. Do you remember the driver's name or perhaps the booking reference number for your journey?
I don't remember the name, but it was around 5 p.m. yesterday. I travelled from the airport to the Hilton Hotel. The car was a black sedan, and the driver was a middle-aged man wearing glasses.
Okay, that is helpful. And can you describe the phone in detail? I need to make sure we are looking for the right object.
It is an iPhone 13, blue in colour. It has a clear plastic case and there is a small scratch on the bottom left corner of the screen.
Let me check our lost and found register for you. Yes, we have a phone that matches your description exactly. One of our drivers turned it in earlier this morning after he finished his shift.
Oh, thank goodness. That is such a relief. I have all my travel documents and flight tickets on that phone. When can I come to pick it up?
Our main office is open until 6 p.m. today. Where are you located right now?
I am still staying at the Hilton Hotel. Is your office far from the city centre?
It is quite close. It is only about a 10-minute taxi ride from your hotel. Our address is 89 Station Road, right next to the post office.
Perfect. I will come by this afternoon. Do I need to bring any specific documents with me to claim the phone?
Yes, please bring some form of ID like your passport or driver's license to prove who you are. Also, to be safe, we might ask you to unlock the phone with your passcode in front of us.
That is a very good idea. I can definitely do that. What if I cannot come myself? Do you offer a delivery service?
We can send it back to your hotel with another taxi driver, but you would have to pay the standard fare for the delivery.
No, that is fine. I prefer to come and get it myself. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. We are happy we found it for you. See you later this afternoon.